1 and 2. Now 1 and 2, 1 and 2. This is look like a calligraphy art. Hello guys, thanks for your love on my last tutorial video. If you can't watch, please go and watch my last tutorial. And today in this video we will teach you how to convert simple writing to neat to cursive, and cursive to calligraphy. So let's start this video guys. First you need to convert your simple writing to neat to cursive writing, and like this you need to learn how to write in cursive writing. It's so simple. Like this, if I show you, start from here, done. If you're writing on 2 lines page, start from upper line to down line and make the circle and in center line. Now you need to learn this, how to patch 2 words, like these 2 words, 1 2. Now combine this or join these 2 words in some little space, like a first 1 and 2, now 1 and 2, 1 and 2. This is look like a calligraphy art. Now practice on cursive writing style. First word, second word. Start from here, complete the first word, give some space, and the second word. This is calligraphy. Now fill this word. First of all guys, please practice much more as you can to write well. Now practice with marker. Pick your marker in this style, your cut line parallel to line. Start from here, like this, like write in simple. So guys, now I show you to with big cut permanent marker, like I overwrite on these words, how I write on my shorts videos and live stream. This guys. So in this video is to the end on this topic. Wait for next tutorial video. Please practice of these words and show me your work on my Insta. DM me on Insta. I will check your work and appreciate you and give you your mistakes or your good or bad, no problem. And please guys, like this video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank you very much guys.